In this video, I will show you how to use Anthropic's Claude model inside DeepSeek Harness. If you need a video how to install DeepSeek Harness, then check the video description. I put the link in the video description. So to use Anthropic Claude models, here at first you need to go to settings, and here you will see model section. Tab here. Right now you can see I have DeepSeek connected. Now here you can add a provider, or if you want to add custom provider, you can click add a custom provider. So by default, there are lots of provider. So let me click add provider. And here you can see Amazon Bedrock. Here you will find Cloudflare, Orcard CI, DeepSeek, GitHub Copilot, Google, and lots of other is here. From here, you will just search Anthropic. And right now you can see Anthropic is available. Now you will put your Cloud API key. So from where you will collect your API key. At first, you need to go to platform.claude.com. Then, if you don't have an account, you need to create an account. I have already an account, and you can see I have added some fund here. So, to work with Claude with Harness, you need to have API credit here. Then you will go to API key section. Simply click this create API key. And now continue with an API key. Here we'll put the API key name, for example, test API. And now we'll choose the expiration time. Here you will have 3 hours, 1 day, 7 day, 30 day, and custom. And even you can choose never. So I will choose 3 hours and then click add. Now you can see this is your API key. Just copy this API key. Don't share this API key to others. Keep it safe and secure. I will delete this API key when the video is end. I'll simply click done. And now back to the DeepSeek Harness page. And here I will put my API key. Then click apply. So you can see Anthropic is now active. What you will do, you will simply close it. From here, you will choose your project directory. So for example, I'll choose this test project and then click choose. So right now it's available. So from there, you can see all of this model is available. You can choose a model. For example, you can go with Claude Sonnet 5, Opus 5, Fable 5, etc. Let me choose Claude Sonnet 5. And now, so if you want to use DeepSeek Harness plugin, you will click this plus icon. And here you can see there are lots of plugin available. Let me go with the plan plugin. And now here we'll just write our plan, what we're gonna build. For example, I wanna create a e-commerce website for a baby clothing business. Okay. And if I just send this prompt, you can see it's deep diving, and here it's asks few questions. So what tech stack would you like to use for the e-commerce website? I will go with this recommended on Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. So you can see your plan is ready here. You will read all of this stuff and review it. And when everything is fine, you will simply click approve. So it's okay. Next thing, you can proceed this plan to build your project.